What to do when things go wrong. You have more power than you think. Flight delayed, gate changed, luggage lost. Breathe. Then go straight to the nearest help desk and calmly explain the situation. Here's the key. Mention that you're a senior traveler. Airlines are often willing to give meal vouchers, lounge passes, or quicker rebooking if they know you're struggling. Missed a connection? Ask, could I be placed on the next flight with priority assistance? Again, ask gently, confidently. Help is often just one conversation away.